Modern English for difficult conversations. Difficult conversations don't fail because of bad intentions. They fail because of unclear language. When emotions are involved, words matter more. And in modern life at work, online, and in relationships, difficult conversations are unavoidable. Today, we'll talk about how modern English helps you navigate difficult conversations calmly, clearly, and confidently. Welcome to English for the Modern World. This channel teaches English through psychology, technology, AI, and modern communication. Because difficult conversations require clear thinking and clear language. 1. What makes a conversation difficult? A conversation becomes difficult when emotions are present. Fear, tension, disagreement, uncertainty. In these moments, the brain reacts quickly. Clear language slows reactions and creates space for understanding. Difficult conversations are not about winning. They are about clarity. 2. Why most difficult conversations go wrong. Many conversations fail because people speak emotionally instead of intentionally. They over-explain, defend too early, or sound accusatory. Modern English favors neutrality. Neutral language reduces threat and keeps conversations productive. Tone matters as much as content. 3. Start with intention, not emotion. Strong communicators start difficult conversations by setting intention. For example, I want to have an open conversation. I'd like to clarify something. This isn't meant as criticism. These sentences signal safety. They prepare the listener to receive information calmly. Intentional openings change everything. Section 4. Use clear, non-judgmental language. Judgment creates resistance. Clear English removes judgment. Compare, "You're not listening," with, "I don't feel heard." The second sentence describes experience, not blame. Modern English favors observation over accusation. 5. Pausing is a communication skill. Silence is powerful. Many people fear silence and rush to fill it. But pausing reduces tension, allows processing, and prevents escalation. Useful phrases include, "Let me think for a moment." "I want to respond carefully." Pausing shows maturity, not weakness. 6. Setting boundaries during difficult talks. Some conversations require boundaries. Clear English makes this possible. Examples: "I'm not comfortable with that." "I need to keep this professional." "Let's stay focused on the issue." These sentences protect emotional space without creating conflict. Boundaries keep conversations respectful. 7. Digital conversations are even harder. Difficult conversations are harder online. Tone is missing. Context is reduced. Misinterpretation increases. That's why clarity matters even more. Helpful digital phrases include, "I want to be clear about my intention." "This might be better discussed later." "I don't want this to come across the wrong way." Digital clarity prevents unnecessary conflict. 8. Ending difficult conversations well. How a conversation ends matters as much as how it starts. Modern English offers respectful exits. "Thank you for discussing this. Let's reflect and continue later." "I appreciate the conversation." Ending calmly preserves relationships even when agreement isn't reached. Closure matters. 9. Difficult conversations builds confidence. Avoiding difficult conversations increases anxiety. Facing them with clear language builds confidence. Each successful conversation reinforces self-trust. Modern English helps you stay calm, stay clear, and stay grounded. Confidence grows through communication. In closing, difficult conversations are part of modern life. Clear English doesn't remove discomfort, but it reduces damage. It helps you communicate with clarity, respect, and emotional intelligence. If you want English that supports real conversations in real life, subscribe to English for the Modern World. Thanks for watching English for the Modern World.